Okay, here's Kevin. He's going to show his place
Yeah, we'll make it short. We'll make it
to the
short.
family here.
Yeah, for sure.
This
Okay,
is the
so
pool.
just a very quick tour of our own humble house. So right here is we do have a shower, bamboo shower, and right here is our outdoor toilet.
Oh, wow.
Restroom in here. This is an outdoor toilet.
Oh, I didn't know
You
that.
want to see it? Yeah. It's,
Oh, how cool. What's
yeah,
that?
it's made out of sticks. So
Wow.
yeah, they just sorted out the sticks from the mountains and then thought that it's nice to use
Nice.
it as a wall.
Yeah.
Kind of like a different idea.
Yeah, what we call an outhouse in the USA.
Yeah. And right here is our small pool for kids.
And you told me where that rock was from?
It's from Bali. We call it Bali stone.
Bali.
As you can see, this is a stone. This is not a tile. This is the original color when it's dry, and that's its color when it's wet. So it's
Bali
not a tile. It's a stone from Bali. We have it shipped here.
Wow. So
From,
cool.
like 2 years ago or something. Right there, the small house is the pump machine for the pool. The filtration is all in there. So everything is in there.
Storage.
This is our main house. This is just the back side of it.
It's the main house.
Yeah. Right here is our small meeting log. So whenever there's a small meeting right here.
Oh, yeah. The meeting place.
Right here is the kitchen. So this is the wood kitchen, and right there we do the gas. And it's just a small, how should I call this, hot kitchen.
Nice.
I've saw the design in here from Sharjah, and I thought that I would replicate
Wow.
here at home. So it's like an open kitchen. Whenever it's like raining, we just pull this down. So
Oh, nice.
So here, whenever we cook, use the old style wood, and then put some grill in there sometimes, banana, rice, name it.
Nice.
Anything that we have to cook through wood goes through there, and we need to cook something quick, goes right there.
Nice. And you designed all this.
Yep. So right here is I call this my back office. There was a time where there's just a lot of kids in here, and I can't work there at the main house. So I felt like I have to do something, and I have to create the back office.
Yeah.
So this one is Girlie's yoga room, which is encroached by Sai 2 months after. Made it his gaming room.
His
But
son
right now
made
it's
it the
vacant
gaming
again. It's
room.
our dog's room. So that guy right there is his name is Pot Pot. So that's
Pot
his
Pot.
room for now. So that's fully air conditioned. Lucky dog, huh?
Yeah. They kind of trade places.
Yeah. So upstairs.
Hello.
Excuse us. This guy is sleeping. Hey. This is Yin-Yang. Go. Right here
Hello.
is my office. So this is the purpose of why I made this building. I work with with a lot of meetings, especially at night, and then conference call. I try to make it as quiet as possible. So my
Yeah.
clients don't ask a lot of questions because there's a lot of chickens.
Yeah.
As you might heard, there's a lot of
Right.
chickens.
Right.
So right in here, we try to make it as soundproof as possible. So when I'm inside, it's all good. I can perform my duties well.
Nice.
So right here is, I call this the coffee ramp.
The coffee
So
room.
whenever I drink my coffee, I felt like I need to walk to think about things, business, work, and all those things, ideas. So I walk here in this ramp, going on the next treehouse. And then this is the treehouse. And then the plan is that I'm gonna connect this to my kids' house, which is there. It's under construction for now. It's scheduled to be finished by first quarter of next year. It's a 2-story house with rooftop. It's bigger than this house, by the way. So Just gonna connect it there.
Hi. Just a minute.
So right here, it's gonna connect there soon to the second floor and the rooftop. And for now, it's still here. So this is like college treehouse number 1. Yeah, Thailand bamboo. It is
Thailand
not the
bamboo.
local here. It is an ornament.
Oh.
This is the smaller version of the usual bamboo here.
Oh,
Most
wow.
people use it for ornaments. You know, a design
Oh,
for
wow.
the pool. It's cool.
Nice.
Once this is like a couple of them, like 20, it's good to see. You know,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
cool. It's a great ventilation.
Yeah.
You know. So
It's wonderful. I love
Yeah.
this. I
And
love the
let's go to the
bamboo
third
and that
floor.
that plant that is called cigar.
yeah, that one is the cigar plant. It's also the giant cigar plant. So it's also for ventilation and for you know gardening purposes. It's just for the backdrop
And
of
cool air. And keeping things cool. And down here is the garden. Your wife's garden. Right? She got a garden down here.
Yeah, it's a garden. We just started the garden right here. Right
Mhm.
here is also a place we just purchased just like late when the house was just already done. So what I do is that I created a small nipa hut, small house there made of bamboo. Whenever I felt like I need to sleep there, I sleep there. You know,
Yeah.
brainstorm a bit.
Yeah.
But for now, I don't have any use for this portion of land in here. Maybe soon when I got like a lot of grandkids, they can build their whole house.
Oh, yeah.
The idea is just to have family stick around.
I like the nipa huts a lot.
Yeah. And it's just so cool. So whenever, every time it's just too hot, you go there. It's the
Oh, yeah.
ventilation, it's so cool.
Nice. Do you hear karaoke around the neighborhood much?
Not much. Sometimes.
No?
Sometimes.
Once in a while?
Yeah. It does. It's very common.
Not in the middle of the night, though.
This is my Starlink internet, my savior of my work.
Yeah.
So here we have a lot of power interruptions. So when the power is getting interrupted, so is the internet. Not now to purchase this, and I got this the solar setup for the house. So as long as I got sun and I get like the battery full charged with the sun, even though everybody's out of power, I still got my
You
internet.
got
running.
Starlink and solar, as you can see on the roof.
Yeah.
The solar panels.
Let's go upstairs to the third floor. This is my third floor where I usually do my coffee in the sunset or in the sunrise. I also sometimes do yoga here or exercise. Here you have a great view of the mountains. From here is the ocean. You can see it for now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you cannot see it. But right there is a taller version of this house, wider. That's my kid's house right there. So that should have a better view when it's done.
Oh, yeah.
Right here is my solar panels. They got 18 panels for it. That's powered to 8 kilowatt setup at home.
Yeah.
And then the air conditions all set up there.
Oh, yeah.
This is my kitchen. So yeah, it's a cool place to be. Drinking coffee, listening to music, and trying to, you know,
Yeah.
think about work. So it's
Yeah.
yeah.
It's gorgeous.
I think it was a good choice having my own place in here.
Yeah.
Just sometimes when there's like a lot of kids in here.
A lot of what?
Kids, you know,
Oh,
my
kids.
sons, cousins, relatives, just go
Yeah.
there. And you can't stop kids from playing, right? At the same
Right.
time, I don't want to like tell them to stop playing because I'm working.
Right.
So I just go here and I just told them like, okay, you can play around the house. The area is yours. Just don't disturb me here because I'm working. And we're good.
Right. Yeah. Nice.
So let's go downstairs to the main house, I guess. Do we still have time?
Yeah, we can look.
Yeah. This wood is actually a hardwood.
Hardwood.
Yeah, we got this on that mountains. From that mountains, like around 2 hours. So it's
Oh.
really, really far.
Wow. I'm up here, Bing.
Can I just go to under?
No, sweetie, I'm about, we'll leave together.
Just slow the
what?
steps right here.
We'll leave in a minute, sweetie.
Just really slow on your steps, Uncle.
Okay,
Really
just
slow.
tell me to stop there.
Tayo
There's the
lagyan.
family here.
So,
Here's our great friend and driver.
yeah.
I'm going to in between, honey.
Huh?
I'm going to duyan here. Okay?
Okay, take a
Yeah,
rest.
is it okay?
Yeah, take a rest.
Go ahead and finish that
So,
black.
Okay.
yeah, this is our house, the living room. Let's just turn on the lights. This is my kid, and this
Hello.
is his space for now. He used to
Yeah.
have the space there below my office, and then he got bored, and then he's here now. So this is his place. This is where he sleeps. Say hi.
What's your name again?
Sorry.
That's right.
Sai, yeah.
And he used to be a long hair, but now he's a short hair.
Yeah, now he's short. And, the PlayStation. There's an extra room in here. We did a treadmill in here. For now, it's all messed up, but we're gonna like arrange it when his house is done. So this is our small stock room. So we put a lot of stuff in here. This is our shower room. It's hot and cold shower, solar powered, all this stuff. And,
Yeah,
yeah, right there.
solar power.
Yeah. And this is our medicine kit.
Oh,
Medicine.
nice.
Yeah, little medicines in here.
That's good. You're prepared like that,
Yeah,
especially out here, you know.
yeah. And right here is our restroom, our
Nice.
toilet. Just for here and in the living room. So we start to separate it.
It's like a little hideaway with all that wood.
Yeah, yeah. I love wood.
Yeah, me too.
It's just there's some stuff there. So let's go upstairs. By the way, this is our boss cat. His name is Ing. He stares like that, and his trick. He thinks this is his house. And he's the boss. So, see
That's
the
it?
little scooters right there? It's called
Yeah.
ATV, all-terrain
yeah.
vehicles.
Oh yeah.
There's 3 of that. So whenever we want to go in the mountains, we ride those, and it's crazy, crazy fun.
I'll bet.
You can go to all terrains and the river.
Right.
It's so strong too. So
Yeah, yeah.
we've enjoyed it a lot whenever we want to go there in the mountains. To play.
Nice.
So there's 3, one for my kid, one for my wife, and one for me.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
And there's more Sigora plant in here. Let's go upstairs. This is our room and living room here. So it's all made of solid wood. Much as we wanted to. That's the idea. This is our balcony in here. So you get a great view. The design is that we're going to connect this to the second house, which is my kid's house, to his second floor. And then, so if we wanted to go there, we just go through here. So it's
Nice.
also fully set up with CCTV cameras.
Oh yeah,
All of
good.
this eating, so it's all HD with night vision. So even at night, I can see the whole thing,
Nice.
just like it's like early morning.
Wow.
So it's fully set up all around the house. All the
Nice.
corners are being covered for safety.
Oh, that's good.
And then right here, I don't know, maybe this is like a master room right here, but yeah, let me just give you a tour. This is our room. It's messy, I'm sorry. And there's a small
Bathroom.
also a toilet here. So just no shower, but just toilet.
Wow,
So,
I just love that wood.
yeah, there's more wood. Everything in here upstairs for the second floor are all wood. Right here is wood. It's wood. It's wood. Everything you see is wood.
Wow.
There's nothing else. It's just painted.
Nice.
Yeah. Right here is.
There's your camera.
Yeah.
there's your
That's the.
Viewer.
It's just 4 of it,
The
but
viewer.
the other cameras, if I wanna like check the
Oh
surroundings,
yeah.
is here. Right there.
Wow. Look at that.
The parameter is
Wow.
I can just click something. But yeah, that's the whole thing. Even at night, it still look like this at night,
Uh-huh.
so you can really see.
Wow.
You know,
Nice.
of course, I got like guns if I need to use them.
Yeah.
For sure.